one, so get ready because this is the last Miss to Mrs. box that I am going to unbox. This is my 9th Miss to Mrs. box, and I believe this one is honeymoon themed. We get married in 2 weeks by the time I post this, so we're not going on our honeymoon until probably next year sometime. We decided to do a delayed one, but we're doing a mini moon, so who knows if any of this will go with that. So just real quick, for those of you who maybe have not seen my other unboxings, I'll make sure I post the rest of them below. But just a real quick synopsis of what these are. This is a subscription box that gets sent whatever months depending on your wedding date. It comes with about $100 plus worth of stuff, and it's all wedding themed and it all has different themes. Like I said, I think this one's gonna be honeymoon themed, so I'm really excited to get this one open. This is my last one, so let's get to it. So the first thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this Happily Ever After beach hat, it looks like. This one's this Happily Ever After, and we'll give it a shot, but my assumption is it's probably not gonna fit my head. It's pretty tight. You can see it goes across the back like that. I won't give you guys a close-up of it just because you can kind of see it. It's a big, huge floppy hat. So the first thing in the last Miss to Mrs. box is this Happily Ever After beach hat. The second thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this canvas beach tote. It's like it might be this honeymoon vibes bride on an inflatable flamingo. So I'll show you guys a close-up just so you can kind of see the picture, but it is a canvas bag. I did make one for us. It's actually a previous video on our channel, or on my channel, but it looks cute, and I'll give you guys a close-up of it. So here is the honeymoon vibes beach bag. I did look, it is the same picture that's on the front. You can see her head right there. So it has the pink, not even pink, the flamingo, and she's on it. And just this honeymoon vibes, says Mrs. on her swimsuit. So the second thing in the last Miss to Mrs. box is this honeymoon vibes canvas beach tote. The third thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this pink flamingo inflatable pool party drink holder. I was just reading it. It basically is a drink holder that floats. So you can take it in the ocean, the pool, whatever, and it's a flamingo. So I'll give you guys a close-up of it. I'm not gonna take it out because I'm not gonna inflate it right now. So let me show it to you. Here is the floating pink flamingo thing for your drink. It is not an actual full-size float that you can float on. It is for your drink. So the third thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this pink flamingo inflatable pool party drink holder. So just an inflatable floating drink holder. So the fourth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box are these Just Married knee-high tube socks. We did get socks in a different box. I'll probably end up keeping these because I like socks. So let me show you guys. So they are longer socks, and they say Just Married on the side, and the eye has a heart above it. They're very stretchy. I think I read they're 100% polyester. And they have these kind of like rugby stripes on it. So I'll show you guys a close-up of these. Here are the Just Married tube socks. Like I said, it has the heart above the eye, and it has the rugby type stripes. Very stretchy and seem very comfortable. So the fourth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box are these Just Married knee-high tube socks. So the fifth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this set of luggage tags, or it's just one luggage tag, and a passport cover. Super cute. I will give you guys a close-up of these so you can see what they look like. Here is the luggage tag and passport cover set. They are in rose gold. The luggage tag says "Let's go." The passport cover says "And so the adventure begins." They're not branded with Miss to Mrs. unless it's on the back, so I'm actually very surprised by that, but very cute. They're white and definitely something that can be used if you plan on traveling a lot. So the fifth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this passport cover and luggage tag set. So the sixth thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this waterproof bag for your phone. These things are amazing, and I feel like you can never have enough of them and like leave them in different like areas around your house, or like we have a family cottage up north that we have one at, and then put one in your car or something. They are so useful and they work very, very well. This one is white. It says it's fluorescent. Not sure what that means. But it has a strap with it as well. So I can give you guys a quick close-up so you can see what it looks like. Here is the waterproof bag. Like I said, it is white. All the ones that we have are black. So this one is a little bit different. It has a strap that goes with it so you can put it around your neck. You don't lose it. These usually work super well. I can't speak for this one, but I do love having these around just so if I need one, it's raining, going in the water, whatever, then we have it readily available. So this is the sixth and the second to last thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this waterproof bag. And the last thing in this Miss to Mrs. box is this Just Married honeymoon in progress, whatever you want to call it, hang tag for your door. One side says honeymoon in progress, do not disturb, and it's gray. This side says just married, don't even think about knocking. I'll show you guys a close-up of it. It does have some like holographic gold on it. So let me show you guys a close-up of this. And here is the just married, don't even think about knocking hang tag. It's a really thick like cardboard, so it's not plastic. Really cute. They do have the gold, like I said, on it, and you can put it on either side, whatever you want. So the last thing, like I said, in this Mr. Mrs. box is this just married and honeymoon in progress hang tag for your door. So there you have it, all 9 Mr. Mrs. boxes unboxed and on my channel. All in all, I was pretty happy with these. I did end up getting rid of a couple of boxes to people that would use them more than me, only because there were things in it that I had already made or created, bought somewhere else, or just wasn't something that I would use. But other people wanted them. Unfortunately, I'm done with these. I do believe I have like 1 or 2 left of the ring boxes to unbox. So far I've really liked both of them, and they both have their perks and whatnot. So if you would like to subscribe to the Mr. Mrs. box, or if I've convinced you to, please go down to the description box below, click on the link, and go ahead and subscribe. They'll ask for your wedding date and all that kind of stuff so they can make sure you get it in a timely manner, all your boxes. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I will also put all my other unboxings in the description box below. So now that we're done with these, I think we're gonna head back to some more DIY videos, although I've really enjoyed unboxing these for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.